here is the camera. It is literally gorgeous. Oh my god, guys, I'm so excited. Hey guys, it's Olivia. Welcome back to another video. So first of all, I want to start off by saying that over the weekend, Kiera and I hit 1,000 subscribers. That is just crazy to me. It was a fantasy when we went into quarantine and now it's actually a reality. So thank you guys so much for continuing to like and comment on all of our videos and for all of your support. It truly means the world to us. So now I'm gonna get into today's really exciting video. I have been waiting to make this video for
so long, you guys have no idea.
So for those of you who don't know, today is my birthday. My parents got me a really special gift that I've been wanting for a really long time, and that gift is the Canon G7x Mark II camera. Olivia and I got the exact same camera. I got the Canon G7x Mark II for $499. I ordered my stuff off of Best Buy. I think she got the very iconic camera set with all the things off Amazon. Okay, so here is the box. I'm so excited right now. Oh my god. Okay, I literally have it right here. There's a bunch of paper towels because in my family, we always wipe down every package that we get. But I'm going to set my phone up, and this is the last video I'll ever have to film on my phone. Let's open it, I guess. Okay, I'm actually ready. Okay, so we got past the wrapping paper. I have a scissors in my desk drawer, I think. Scissors? I'm just going to start cutting it open. I'm literally so excited, you guys. My parents paid for half of it and I paid for half of the total order. Here is the inside of the box. So I'm just gonna take everything out one by one. Wait, my memory card totally is in here. Oh my god, I thought it was coming later. It's here. It's a 128 gigabyte memory card. This is the SD card. Okay, so here is the stand. Okay, I literally thought this was like big, but it's literally this big. It could work, right? Yay. Oh my god, this is iconic. I see every YouTuber have this and I'm excited. This is the digital camera bag. Super exciting. This is like the strap part. This is the cleaning cloth. This is the mini tripod. Q-tips. This is the cloth and the cleaner. Then we have this thing, and I guess you like put this stuff in it?
I guess, I don't know.
And then this is the big tripod. Whoa. Oh my god. Yay.
I thought this was taller. I guess not.
I thought it was like a full-length tripod.
Okay, so this is everything in a little bit more organized of a way. So this is the case for the camera. This is the big tripod right here. This is the mini like handheld bendy tripod, the cleaning cloth, the USB, the battery, cleaning fluid, the cleaning duster, this other case here. I think this is the lens cap and the strap thing. Q-tips that it came with to clean. This is the mini tripod. The kit came with 3 tripods in total. This mini one, this one, and this bigger one. That's everything. And then we're gonna open the camera up. Oh my god, guys, I'm so excited. Okay, ready? Here is the moment. All right, here's the tab that we have to use to open it. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. You guys do not understand how excited I am. I'm sorry for being super duper annoying. Okay, so I'm opening up this box now. Oh my god. So here is the inside of the box. We just have a warranty thing. I'll read through them later. Then we have a manual. This is a thick one. Whoa.
That's the directions. Okay.
Oh my goodness. Look at that.
A big boy.
Yeah. Okay, then we have this wrist strap thing for the camera. This is like a mini strap. Here is the battery. Oh, it's so cute and little. This is the battery itself. Here we go. Then I have the battery charger. This is the battery charger. I know because I have a smaller Canon digital camera that's like not it. And I also have this important safety instruction sheet. Here is the camera. It's so cute and like compact. Oh my goodness. Is this it? Oh my god, this is it, guys. Oh my god. It's actually like very dense. I'm very surprised.
open it up. Here it is. I can't even get it out.
Oh my god.
Are you joking?
Oh my god, guys. I'm so excited.
Okay, hopefully you guys could see that. Sorry, my face was weird. Here is the camera.
Everyone just take a second and appreciate how beautiful it is.
It is literally gorgeous. I am so excited to film on this camera. Okay, so I'm just going to put this back in the pouch for a little bit. I'm just gonna open all these charger things. First in here, I have the charger. Very cute. In comparison, here is the charger for my bigger camera, and then here's the charger for the G7X Mark II. Here is the screen, which opens so you can vlog like this. So you just screw it in. Oh my god, guys, this is I am a YouTuber.
Okay, I should probably attach it on the other side. Now it's on the right side.
Oh, it's already smudged. Okay, hopefully that is a little bit no, it's literally still smudged. Okay. Oh my god, I'm literally a YouTuber. Whoa, it comes out. You can Okay, so what I think I'm going to do right now is I am just going to plug the battery into the charger and let it charge for a little bit, and then I'm going to come back, turn the camera on, and then tell you guys what I'm thinking right now.
I'm going to go read the directions to figure out exactly what I need to do this.
Alright, so I'm back with the camera. That was just charging for I don't know, 5 minutes, but I think it should be enough.
Okay, so the battery to my camera just finished charging enough. Here it is.
So in the bottom here, there is just a little latch thing that you just need to turn. Then I put the battery in.
I'm just gonna put it in and show you guys my camera. I'm so excited.
And then when you close it, you have to put the latch back on.
I already inserted the SD card right there. I'm gonna lock the door now, so it's locked. Then
Oh my god, okay.
okay, so it's on. Oh my god, wow, okay.
Okay, so there's some settings that need to be done. So I'm going to quickly do these.
I have to set the date and time.
Alexa, what's the date?
Today is Friday, May 22nd.
What time is it?
Alexa, what time is it?
It's 4:55 p.m.
Setting it now. Okay, so my camera is all set up and oh my god, this is crazy. It's so cool. That's trippy. Oh my god, wait.
Here is just a few. I cannot. Oh my god. This is insane, everyone. I am so just overjoyed.
Oh my god, whoa.
This is crazy.
Yeah, literally still have to learn how to use it because I really just don't know how to use it. So far, I am obsessed with this camera. So now I'm just gonna show you guys the quality difference because oh my god, the camera quality, it's just incredible. The difference between my phone and the camera. So this is on my phone. I'll put my phone down in the same position. So this is the quality on my phone and this is the quality on my camera. So good, it's so good, it's so good. First ever video on my camera.
Okay, so now I think I am just going to put in a memory card and quickly film something for you guys on this camera just to show the difference between my phone and the camera. Yeah, I have to get used to where the record button is on this, but oh my goodness. Okay, it's literally dying right now because I did not charge it at all, but you guys can see the difference in quality. Insane. Okay, sorry, that was really quick. I'll talk to you guys more later. Hi guys, so that is the end of the camera unboxing video. I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing us unbox our dream cameras, which we've been wanting ever since we started a YouTube channel. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that you can be notified every time we post a video. Your support really means a lot to us. It helps us out so much, and we've been receiving so much of it lately, and in our opinion, we've been growing pretty fast, so we cannot thank you guys enough for that. We are so beyond excited to film all of our new videos on these cameras, which improves the quality so much, as we said before. Also, to celebrate 1,000 subscribers, Olivia and I made an Instagram, so you should definitely go check that out. It's at kiera.n.olivia, and we post whenever we're uploading a video and just updates on our life. So you should definitely go follow that because it's pretty sick. Anyway, I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Bye.
You think you know him, but oh.